Hi, this is a brief explanation to help you understand how to make a Rube Goldberg machine. Today we're going to be working on the drafting phase. The first step is to collect a variety of materials from your house. Look at the materials that I collected. You'll see that there are a bunch of different items that I have started to put together for my project. I even went to the garage and found some tubing that's used for outside our home that we hadn't used before. So I thought I'd try to even add that to my Rube Goldberg machine. Once you've collected a variety of materials, you should record a list of what you've collected. You'll notice on my list, I've collected a box, DVDs, golf balls, a bouncy ball, blocks, dominoes, a cup, books, and a couple of chairs. Also, after you start creating your project or designing it, you might notice that you left some things off your material list. You can always go back to your material list and add more materials. After I took that picture, I realized that there were many other materials that I still wanted to include. So I will be going back to that activity and adding that information later. So the next step is to start designing your sketch. Sometimes it is easier to start with your ending goal in mind and work backwards through your design model because you need to think of all the steps that you want to include. So my goal is I want to get a ball to go into a cup. So that's going to be the end of my project. And then I have to think about what I want to happen to get the ball to go into the cup. So I think I'm going to put my DVDs here, thinking that maybe they'll work like dominoes and push down and fall down into the ball to get the ball to go into the cup. Then I'm thinking about the other materials I have. So maybe I have a book that's large, and I want to put a golf ball inside of that with maybe like some type of ramp. So I'll probably maybe use some cardboard and add that here to get the ball to go down the cardboard, hit the DVDs, to then hit the ball that goes in the cup. And I continue working backwards in my sketch design to try to make this work to get the ball into the cup. And that's what you should do when you're designing your sketch. After completing your sketch, please realize that your sketch may change in your final product. As you try to attempt to build your project later this week, you may realize, wow, that didn't really work the way I thought it would work. So you may need to modify the sketch that you've created. Also, as you're drawing your sketch, you may realize, wow, some of these materials may not work the way I thought they would, or I actually need other materials. If you look at my material list now, it has changed. I realized as I started drawing my sketch that I need some cardboard, so I added that to my material list. And also, I'm probably going to need some tape to kind of hold some things in place, so I also put that on my list. Later this week, you will get a chance to try to create and build your Rube Goldberg machines and videotape them on Flipgrid. So hold on to your sketches. We hope this will help you plan out your sketch for your Rube Goldberg machine. Have a great day.